Hello everyone. We are back again with a special report uh, on the flooding that has happened a few days back in Belgaum South, and we made a sincere effort and we've tried to analyze what are the reasons why every monsoon flooding happens in Maratha Colony area, Nanavadi area, and Karyappa Colony and Shastri Nagar and further south. Actually, last year's floods was a lesson to us. It was an eye opener to us on how we have to gear up for such incidents or such disasters in the coming future. But it looks like our public representatives and our city administration officials are least interested about these things. They are more focused on seizing photo ops. Whenever they get a photo ops opportunity for taking pictures or being visible on social media, they don't leave a chance. It's very unfortunate to know that what happened last year, we could have avoided this situation this year. But as I said, our officials and our public representatives have not really geared up for this situation. So we did a small on the field analysis on what is the real cause or how this flooding happens in Belgaum South area. So we started our story with we went to Nanavadi area where near the firing range, one of the nalas, it originates from there. Then it starts flowing downwards to the Nanavadi area and this Bella Vista area, and then after that it goes to Raigad Fort gate and then towards Congress Road, and from Congress Road it crosses the railway overbridge and through the fire department office and then through Goa West Circle and the other nala going through the railway station entering Shastri Nagar area, and then further they go to Mahatma Phule Road and further to beside the Shivaji Garden and then to Old PB Road and further to National Highway, and then gets out of the city and enters the Samra Road area. So if you go to see Belgavi Smart City Limited in their financial plan had proposed 50 crores for the development of primary nalas. So basically you have a primary nala, then secondary nala and a tertiary nala. So tertiary nalas are basically nalas which are adjoining to our roads, and then you have primary nalas where basically water, these are actually natural water flowing areas where water gets accumulated from various sources and then starts flowing, and then you have smaller tributaries which are joining them. They are called as a secondary nalas. So in their financial plan 50 crores was allocated for development, modeling and remodeling and rejuvenating of this network for primary and secondary nalas. But what they have done is they have not spent 1 rupee for these nalas. They have only wasted this money on the tertiary nalas, which are basically your drainages besides the road. Because of this problem, people in Nanavadi, Maratha Colony and those areas, because no work has happened on this nala, and because no work has happened on this nala, the water, when there is heavy rainfall, the existing nalas or the canals or the drainages that you can see are small in width and very less in height. So due to heavy rains, water starts overflowing and it starts entering into fields and open spaces and basically into places where basically they are neighborhoods. And it does not make any sense for our representatives or our officials to go on Congress Road and give a photo op and not come to the other side and address this issue. So after that, after studying the nala in Nanavadi area and all, I came further down and then we reached Congress Road. So on Congress Road, I was very surprised and astonished to see that the newly built tertiary nala or drainage besides on both sides of Congress Road, there is not even one drop of water flowing. After 3 days of incessant rain in Belgavi city, heavy rains in Belgavi city, the nala adjoining this the primary nala adjoining this tertiary nala, there's a lot of water flow there, but not in one drop of water flowing from these tertiary or these roadside drainages. It was very surprising. It clearly means that they have not applied their mind. They have not gone ahead, planned these nalas scientifically. They have not taken topo sheet calculations. They have not seen how the water flows, what is the direction of the water flow. They have not taken gravity into consideration. And because of that, after wasting so much of money, it has gone for waste. All the funds have gone down the drains, but not the water. It's very funny. And then once the water starts flowing from, it crosses the Congress Road, and on the right hand side, on on the area besides the railway track and the Congress Road, they have built a drainage from the Nanavati cross. I think from Gokte Circle up to Third Gate, they have built one drainage line, and then on the side you have this nala. Instead of wasting money on this, on building this drainage where not even one drop of water is flowing in monsoons, and besides that, at half a feet away, you have a big nala that is flowing, and that needs treatment, that needs remodeling, so that when there's heavy rains, it could sustain or hold large volumes of water. They have not done that, and they wasted this money. So in fact, we have a drone shoot for that, and which we will show you and how water is wasted here, how this whole project is wasted here, and instead of developing and remodeling the nala, they have wasted money on this. And further south, if you go to see how the water keeps on flowing further south, then it has entered into residential areas of Shastri Nagar, then into other areas in the outskirts where there are very poor people staying, and then it has entered in the fields, destroying the farmers' produce, and it has flooded an entire area. So our concern is that why is that money that was allocated in the financial plan for in the financial plan, an amount of 50 crores was earmarked for development, modeling and remodeling of nalas. Why is the money not used for that? Why is the money being used for these nalas? It clearly indicates that they want to finish work as soon as possible. They want to raise contractor bills. They want to make money out of it. There is a huge amount of corruption that is happening, and people of Belgaum North and Belgaum South should realize that the smart city funds are being misutilized. Today, there is no dearth of funds for us, but there is mismanagement, there is no accountability. So people who question accountability are being targeted, but our channel won't stop covering such news. So it is up to us to ask for accountability and to see that the funds are utilized in the right manner, and at least in the next monsoon season, by the time the next monsoon season comes, they take up this issue. They take up this issue and they spend money on on remodeling of these primary nalas. Thank you. In Belgaum South, and while most officials and public representatives go on Congress Road and give photo ops, we went we've come to Nanavati. Ahead of Nanavati, in the defense area, there are basically two big streams. So we saw that they are basically the main source from where the water comes. Water gets collected there. Once the water gets over collected there, then it comes through this small nala here. If you can see this nala here, and if you go to see, this nala is very small, and if there is heavy rains, this nala gets filled up. And as you can see, the water gushing in this nala, there is a small underground bridge here, where a small nala here, a canal here, which the water is getting pushed on the other side of the road. And even this is very small. So if there's heavy rains here, it gets filled and then the water starts coming on the road. Now let me take you to the other side of the road. Now I'm coming back on the other side of the road. Now, as you see, Nanavati is one of the residential areas of town. And I really don't understand what is the necessity of having a cement road here and having pavers when Belgaum Smart City is spending so much of money on pavers and a cement road here, and they are not addressing the problem of the drainage. If a proper planning for drainage is done, then every year during monsoons, flooding in Maratha colony or Karyappa colony and further to Shastri Nagar will not happen. And because the water comes in a lot of pressure, and the width of the nala is of the drainage is small. So what happens since the width of the drainage is small, the water starts overflooding. And today, if you go to see, today it hasn't really rained that much. It rained quite a lot yesterday, but today it has rained less. And once it starts overflooding, because the width of the nala, the drainage is less, the water starts entering into. Now you can see the water that is, you can see standing water in this Maratha colony area, and you can see some of the buildings are submerged in water. And this, because then what happens, there are no proper outlets for the water to flow ahead. It gets accumulated and then it starts flooding here. So I think if the officials of Belgavi Smart City are sensible, and in fact we just interviewed a person who takes his buffaloes and cows to grazing, a person who's hardly educated, who's into grazing cattle. He's advising us that the problem needs to be solved is we need to have drainage is higher width here, so that water flow is controlled. Water flow is even during heavy rains, the flow of water is not disturbed. But unfortunately, as you see, they are building cement roads, which is not required here. They are building pavers road here, which is not required. I find it very insensible, and this is an utter waste of public funds. And these officials should be given a proper treatment, because they are wasting our funds. And because of their goof up, people in Maratha colony, Karyappa colony, and in Shastri Nagar, they are suffering, and their livelihoods are affected. A lot of poor people staying in Shastri Nagar, their livelihoods are affected. So it is up to the public representatives to stop giving photo ops on Congress Road and come here and address the situation. I think by increasing the width of the drainage and this particular nala, there's another one here at Raigad Gate.
ಈ ನಾನಾವಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು ಏನು ಡ್ರೈನೇಜ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಅದೇ, ಇದು ಪೇವರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಒಟ್ಟ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಭಯಂಕರ ನೀರು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತದ. ಹಿಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಅದಿರಲ್ಲ ನಾಲ, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಸಾಂದ್ ಅದೇ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈ ನಾಲ ಹಿಂದೆ ಬಂತು ಏಕದಮ್, ಅದು ಗಿಡ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಲ್ಲ ವೆಷ್ಟ ಹೋಗೋದು ಮುಂದೆ, ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಸಾಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ, ನಾಲ ಅದು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಸಾಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ನೀರು ನಿಂದ್ರದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಹೊಸದು ರೋಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪೇವರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಭಾಳ ನೀರು ನಿಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋ ಬರೋ ಮಂದಿಗೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಸಿಟಿ ಫಂಡಿಂದ ಇದೇನು ಪೇವರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಇದ್ರ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇತ್ತು?
ಇದು ಏನು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ಖಾಲಿ ಏನೈತಿ ಶೋ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಇದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಲೋ ಕಾನ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾರೋ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ? ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ನೀರು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಬರಬೇಕು.
ಇದ್ರ ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಜನರಿಗೆ?
ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ನಿಂದ್ರಾಗ್ತದೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆ 2-3 ದಿವಸ ನೀರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಭಯಂಕರ ಮಳೆ ಆಯ್ತು, ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೀರು ನಿಂದ್ರಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ.
Right now we are at Congress Road near the Nanavadi cross. If you can see, this is the drainage. The water is coming from Nanavadi and Maratha colony area, and this is a newly built, I'm pointing my fingers at this newly built drainage on Congress Road by Belgavi Smart City people, and you can see there is not even one drop of water that is flowing out. And while on the right hand side you can see so much of water that is gushing out from the drainage. It clearly says that the drainage work is not systematically planned. It is not scientifically done. They have not taken into account gravity. They have not taken into account the direction of the flow of water in this area. That is the reason that and even if you go to see the height of this drainage, which is built by Smart City people, and the old drainage which is coming on the right hand, from the right hand side, it is on the top. This is slightly lower. So the calculation of flow of water in which direction the water has to flow, that is not taken into account. Gravity is not taken into account. To save costs and to build things haphazardly is a hallmark of the hallmark and the character of the PMC and the officials of Belgavi Smart City Limited. It's another example of how unscientifically they are doing their work. Now I am on the other side of Congress Road, opposite this Nanavadi cross, and as you guys can see, the newly built drainage by Belgavi Smart City people on the right side, and another one on the left side. So on both the drainages, there is not even one drop of water that is flowing out of it, while there is so much of water that is flowing down. So they have not really scientifically planned these drainages, and that is the reason on either sides of the road, not even one drop of water is flowing from these drainages.
ये वेस्टेज है, कुछ भी नहीं है। ये सिर्फ दिखावा है, सिर्फ पैसा डालने का। गवर्नमेंट जो पैसा सैंक्शन करके लेते हैं, जो हमारे एमएलए लोग हैं, ये सिर्फ दिखावा है। इधर से कुछ भी पानी नहीं जा रहा है, वेस्टेज है पूरा। उधर वेस्टेज है, इधर पानी जा रहा है।
एक बूंद पानी नहीं आ रहा सर, नीचे से इतना पानी आ रहा है, उधर से एक बूंद पानी धोने।
ये लोग फुटपाथ बनाए बोल रहे हैं कि आदमी अभी गटर में से उतर के उधर जाएगा, फुटपाथ में पार होके। पानी जाने का रास्ता ही नहीं है वो। एक्चुअली रास्ता ये है, और वो ब्रिज के नीचे देखो, इतना रास्ता छोड़ा है पानी जाने के लिए। कंपल्सरी उसको बड़ा बनाना चाहिए जाने के लिए। उधर इतना जगह है, मतलब गटर बड़ा है, जगह जाने के लिए छोटा है।